Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator at Hayfella America Company.
And I'm Daniel Tripp, Product Manager for all things kitchen related here at Hayfella America.
Now we're here in the Learning Center about to install an easy-to-install cabinet accessory called Portero. Now to install this, you're going to want to make sure you have your mounting instructions handy.
Let's get started.
First, cut the template to the correct size and location in your cabinet, on either the left or right side. Then position the template and tape it in place. Mark the screw locations and pre-drill. We're installing this over a protective mat, but you could also install it directly on the bottom of your cabinet. Attach the drawer slides using the included screws. Then assemble the frame holder to the pullout with the 4 bolts and nuts provided. Slide the frame into position on the slides and secure with 4 screws. Next, cover any unused screw holes with cover caps. Install the portable basket and you're done. An easy installation that makes your cabinet work harder. We hope you found this Hayfella video helpful. Good luck with your installation, and thanks for watching.